Assalamualaikum. Hi and hello everyone. Welcome back to our online class with me, Madam Maria. Hopefully everybody is doing fine at home, staying safe and keeping yourself healthy with your family members. For today's lesson, we are gonna look at an, any and some. Before we go further, let us overview what we are going to learn for today. Nouns. There are countable nouns and also uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count, while uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. Now, let us focus at countable noun first. Countable nouns, we have either singular noun or plural noun. Singular nouns means one, plural means more than one. If noun is in singular form, we need to use a or an. A is used with words starts with consonant, while an is used with words start with vowel. That's all. Very easy. Now, how about if the noun is plural? If the noun is plural, we can use either some or any. But you need to look at the sentence carefully. For affirmative sentence, we use some, but for negative and interrogative sentence, we use any. Next, let us look at uncountable noun. There is no singular or plural nouns in uncountable. So, we can use either some or any. Some is used in affirmative sentence, and any is used in negative and interrogative sentence. So, let us start our lesson. Please sit back and relax. Let us look at the first one. When we can use a or an. A and an is used in countable nouns. Generally, when we talk about a and an, both are used for singular countable nouns. Singular means one place, one thing, one person, one animal, and so on. A we use before the consonant, while an we use before vowels. What are vowels? Vowels are words that start with letter A, E, I, O, U. A is used with words starts with consonant. Let us look at a few examples. A giraffe, a book, a fish, a watermelon, and many more. An is used with words starts with vowel. For example, an ant, an eagle, an igloo, an umbrella, an orange, and many more. Next, some and any. Please listen carefully. For some and any, we can use in countable nouns and also in uncountable nouns. As I mentioned before, some and any can be used in countable nouns. Both are used for plural countable nouns. Plural means more than one, many. Okay? For some, we can use in affirmative sentence, and for any, we can use in negative and also interrogative sentence. Remember, some is used in affirmative sentence. For example, there are some oranges on the table. There are some teddy bears in the bedroom. There are some presents for my mother. Any is used in interrogative sentence. Interrogative means you want to ask something. For example, are there any oranges? Are there any teddy bears? Are there any presents? Any also can be used in negative sentence. For example, there aren't any oranges. There aren't any teddy bears. There aren't any presents. Now let us look how to use some and any in uncountable nouns. Some is used in affirmative sentence while any is used in negative and interrogative sentence. Let us look at a few examples for some by using the affirmative sentence in the uncountable noun. For example, I have some pizza. Pizza is uncountable noun. Next one, I want to buy some milk. Give me some bread. We use any in interrogative sentence. For example, is there any pizza? Is there any milk? Is there any bread? Next one, let us look example for any in negative sentence. There isn't any pizza. There isn't any milk. There isn't any bread. Now, for summary, you need to remember in nouns, there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For countable nouns, there are singular nouns and also plural noun. If the noun is singular, we can use a or an, while if the noun is plural, we can either use some or any. Some can be used in affirmative sentence, while any can be used in negative or interrogative sentence. For uncountable nouns, we only can use some or any. But you need to remember, some is used in affirmative sentence and any is used in negative or interrogative sentence. Okay guys, we have arrived at the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends so that everybody will get to learn more about this topic. I hope this video is very helpful to you. See you in the next video. Goodbye and Assalamualaikum.